Tingnan nyo, nung nailagay lang si Malcolm Square doon, si Malcolm, George Malcolm, yung kanyang pastor, tsaka lang nila nalaman na Malcolm Square yun. It's because hindi na yung kwento, ang magagandang kwento. So, sa inyo, anong turismo stupa ang kwento nyo? Kayong saplan, anong turismo saplan ang kwento nyo? Since Jewin, Itogon, and the rest. No? So, ito ang ating mga tourism products. Okay? Sabi ko nga, anin din sa siyam na yan, meron tayo. Meron kayo. So, the challenge is, how are we going then to sustain the tourism industry in our municipality? Kung nakikinig kayo kanina, ulit-ulit yan, no? We can only sustain programs, projects, such as tourism, if there's a collaboration between the LGUs and the private sector. Bakit? No? Meron kaya ang private sector na hindi kaya ng LGU. Tama? Yes. Kasi ang LGU nakatali ang kamay saan? Sa funding. Tama? Yes. I'm talking as an LGU. Kami nga makamovity program na awat the funding, awat the budget. Okay? Na the budget na ito ay kaya the fine series is 145,000. Nanganapin nga dito eh. Of course, we made it for the budget. Haan ko nga ma-move na ito, yung awat may 145,000 na budget na ito. Ay nangadya ka lang tayo. We have the venue, but what about our nourishment? What about your kid? Diba? So, awan. Especially so that our speaker is a pro bono. Pro bono po yan. 2,000 per hour po siya. Yes! He is pro bono. 2,000 per hour po ang kanyang professional fee. No? So, nga din po na, Sir Ricky, anyan ibakanting. Baga na ibakanting, in-schedule ko madamos. Sir, pro bono ka. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
So, is this the collaboration of the government and the private sector? Yes. Supposed to be bayaran na tayo suna. But then again, when I mentioned na student in the program, okay. So, nag-push, nag-move na going seminar. Yeah? So, there's that collaboration. So kasi lang in the grassroots. We need the grassroots, or LGU needs the grassroots. Grassroots needs the LGU. Why? The legalities. Okay? Kailangan natin ng LGU for the legalities. That's one. Two. Okay? Kasama din dyan ang funding. The prime movers are the grassroots, the private sector. No? But the support component comes from LGU. Okay? Naawan kayo ng private sector, sino karoon kayo ng seminar in the LGU. Alam mo na yung susulat-aman. Diba? Haan naman balik din dyan. So, collaboration between private and LGU and sustainability. Agree? Agree. Okay. Now, before we go to the next part, which is, if you allow me to discuss first the ordinances before we go to the forum. Baka gamitan natin questions yung lang kaya yung ordinance nga naipasa. Yeah? But before we go to that area, okay na kayo merienda natin dyan? Ma'am, minisa, okay na? O sige. Tapos after tayo nga nun, anak na kami kinakataktak dito eh. I encourage us to go and please get your merienda at the back. Yeah? Then we will discuss next